Where's the light? There it is. Whoa, Sarah, look at that. Oh my god. What the heck? I'm scared. I know. Check this out, fish. Ew! They're real. Oh my god. Oh my god, this one's moving. What's this for? Maybe for strangling people. Maybe. Come on, let's go back there. What's up with all the wood? I don't know. Look at all these tools. Why is there a chain? I don't know. This is really weird. What's that? What's that chain up there? I don't know. I'm scared, Stella. Me too, Alex. Whoa. Oh, I can't get it good enough on my camera. Neither can I. Whoa. What's that? That was me. Okay. What does that mean? I don't know. It's probably the better idea to just leave that alone. Yeah. But maybe dead people in there. No, I don't think that. Well, maybe they are. The refrigerator. Can't get it open. Whoa. What's all that stuff right there? Looks like blood. It smells. What's this? Oh, the carjack. Yeah, that doesn't really much. Okay, never mind. This place is really scary, Alex. What do you do? Spray paint. What's that? I don't know. What's in here? I don't know. If anything jumps out or pops out, give me a hug. Oh, it's just the heater. What the heck? That wasn't me. Oh my god. I swear to god, that was not me. What was that? What? Oh. You were just like resting your hand on it. It was just closed. I'm scared, Sarah. Me too. What was that? It just fell. I'm scared, Sarah. Let's get out of here. Alright. Come on. Run. Oh my god. Run. How are we gonna go? Oh my god, what is that? I don't know. Let's go, let's go. Where do we go? We need to just get out of here.